Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to factory reset your Surface Pro 13. If you'd like to factory reset it, there are two different methods that are worth considering. This method that I'll show you in this video refers only to hard resetting it through the settings, so erasing all the data basically. But if you need to install a new system fully, perform a fresh install, there's a video about it on our channel. It takes way more time, but sometimes it's the only option that you can do. In case that of corrupted system files, you'll need to install the system again, or in case you don't remember your password to the system, then you can just install a new one and it will fully work. But make sure to watch that other video if you need it. But if you want to just erase the data from your device and maybe to sell it or to set it up again to refresh it, then you can do it with this video. It's very easy to do. All you need to do is go to the settings, then find Windows Update, then Advanced Options, and now you'll find Recovery. Then you'll find Reset this PC. Remember that it will remove everything from your computer, so back up your important files if you have any before you begin. Then click on Reset PC and we'll get through a few steps. You have an option to keep your files. That will remove apps and settings and keep your personal files, but it honestly doesn't do anything. So I would recommend just backing up your personal files to some cloud or some external disk, your SD card, USB drive, whatever, just so that you can remove everything. Now let's click on Remove Everything. That's what I'll do. Now it will load for a moment and then it'll ask us whether we want to do a cloud download or local reinstall. In case there is something corrupted in your system, but you were able to do it here, I would recommend cloud download, so it will download the fresh version of the system and reinstall it. But in case everything is working and you just want to get rid of some older files and refresh your system, but it works, then you can select local reinstall. So if there's some problems, cloud download. If not, then local reinstall. I'll do the local one because it takes less time. And now let's click on Change Settings, because there is going to be one important setting: clean data. If you disable it, then it will take less time, but it's less secure. So if you're resetting it for yourself, if you're going to use the computer later, just set it up and use it, then it's great to unselect it to take less time. But if you're planning on selling this device, then I would recommend enabling it. It may take hours, but it will totally clean the disk, so the data will be unrecoverable. And that's what you should do if you're planning on selling this device. So I'll set it to no because I'm not planning on selling it, but feel free to set it to yes. Now let's click on Confirm and let's click on Next. Now it will start loading for a moment. And now it confirms everything. Before you click on reset, make sure that your device is charged to a sufficient level. In my case, it's at 85% and it's plugged in. Make sure that it is charged, and best if it's plugged in and charged fully, just so it doesn't turn off during that reset, because it may corrupt your system files and it'll give you lots of unnecessary work. Now I'll click on Reset, make sure you really want to do it, and now it will start preparing. Then the device will automatically restart and it will take quite some time. One more thing, remember not to interrupt it. you can cancel it here, but later make sure not to press on any buttons, not to unplug it, not to turn it off. Just let it perform everything. Now, I'll get back to you in a moment. And one more thing I just reminded myself about, if you are not doing the cloud download, if you're doing a local reinstall, and if it's taking too long with the preparation kind of thing, it's stuck at 1% or any amount of percent, it takes too long, you can cancel it, disconnect from the internet, from Wi-Fi or whatever, and then try doing it again. It will take way less time for some reason. So yeah, if you're doing the local reinstall, just do it. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like, and it's just going to do everything automatically. So I'll get back to you finally when it's just done. And that is the result. Your OS was just reset. You can now set it up. There's, by the way, a video about how to set it up. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.